Hello and welcome to IBM Analytics Group Channel Cloud Podcast Series. My name is Renee Florence Valdez and I'll be talking to you today about Cloudant, IBM's NoSQL JSON database. Cloudant is an application that IBM acquired when it acquired its company Cloudant in the February 2014 timeframe. Cloudant is a NoSQL database as a service. So think about software as a service in the cloud, fully hosted, fully managed by IBM. Again, it is a JSON database, which means that it's a document store for all different types of documents, whether they are emails, faxes, voice messages, text, scanned images. Cloudant manages those documents seamlessly within its NoSQL JSON structure. Cloudant is available today both as a dedicated managed service from IBM or database as a service, or it's available for your clients to run on premise within their own data centers, fully managed by them or fully managed by IBM, or maybe a mixture of both, as Cloudant is the only JSON database that in the market today that has both the on-prem version and the dedicated database as a service version that talks seamlessly from one instance to the other. With Cloudant, you grow the nodes by adding adding new storage capability and nodes to your existing network, and Cloudant replicates seamlessly across those various nodes, making the data available to your users whether they are in their home office in DC or in a business meeting in Washington. And for their customers, having the ability to take their mobile phone or their tablet and access their applications, access their games, access their data seamlessly on any type of device at any time of the day or night and from anywhere in the world. Cloudant is for apps that need elastic scalability, growing easily without having to take down the environment, high availability, access 24/7. Think about those games on your phone. Think about your mobile phones when you're traveling through time zones, having access to the information easily and at any point in the day and night. That is one of the characteristics that Cloudant brings to your applications. Data flexibility, data mobility, text search across these non-structured data types, as well as geospatial capability so that you can indeed run marketing campaigns that are targeted to your customers wherever they are at any point in time. As I said, Cloudant is delivered as a cloud service that eliminates complexity and enables developers of web and mobile apps to really focus on their application instead of the data infrastructure that the application needs and lies underneath it. The key to understanding where to sell Cloudant is understanding your customer's business. So if they really have an application that they're developing that is web-based, that's mobile-based, that's planned to run, in a handheld environment, then that's a cue that you should be talking to them about Cloudant, because mobile and web-based applications require a NoSQL database. So if you're not chatting to your clients about what Cloudant has to offer, someone is talking to them about another NoSQL database. If you have a customer who is building applications and therefore building their own data management system to be able to work with other NoSQL products, and it's not scaling or it's not meeting their needs because they need to be able to grow as their business grows without taking down the systems in between, then you should be talking to your customers about Cloudant. If your customer is using a traditional database, a traditional SQL database or a relational database, and they're trying to support mobile applications, you should know that that really isn't the right database structure for mobile or web-based applications, especially when they're trying to handle many different data formats, like I mentioned earlier. If you're handling faxes or texts or voicemails or emails, right? That's not data that's typically in a rows and columns database, and therefore you should be talking to them about Cloudant. And especially if your clients are trying to get into the world of mobile and they need to access the data that's in their relational database, right? Information that's in those systems of record, right? And we know that mobile application development is key, and having access to that application and being able to, you know, work with the truckers as they're driving down the highway, and letting them know that they need to change course because the highway above has an accident, right? That systems of engagement with real-time access based on geospatial information is key, again, from a Cloudant perspective. It is at the heart and soul of what Cloudant offers your customers. So businesses that are looking for solutions that help them navigate the world of web and application development are key prospects for you to be talking to Cloudant about. And once you identify the company, then it's making sure you're talking to and getting in front of the right buyer. We're no longer in the web and mobile application development space talking to the IT. We're no longer talking to the CIO. Instead, we're talking to the gentleman who is running the mobile strategy, who's developing that mobile strategy. We're talking to the CTO or the VP of development, or even the chief architect within the line of business. Right? These people understand the business needs that are driving their infrastructure decisions and their technology acquisitions. These people, solution architects, director of mobile applications, a, a developer, an architect, right? VP of development, those are the folks that you should be talking to about Cloudant. Yes, they will engage the CIO and the folks within the CIO's organization, but based on their business needs, they will be driving what the acquisition strategy is, and you need to be right there alongside of them, helping to shape that. So with that, I'm going to say thank you. And if you're an IBM partner today and want to find out more information, by all means, go to ibm.com/partnerworld, and you'll be able to find all the information you need about Cloudant. If by chance you're a new partner looking at IBM technology for the first time, indeed, again, go to ibm.com/partnerworld to find out about all of our partner programs, and specifically how do you join and how do you work with Cloudant. But whether you're an existing or a new partner, join us at Cloudant.com to learn more about Cloudant, and follow us on Twitter using the handle @Cloudant. With that, I'll say thank you and have a good day.